Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Epic Games app crashing on your PC. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and run it as administrator. What you want to do is simply go ahead and search for Epic Games, click on open file location, right click, and then click on show more options, properties, and then go to compatibility settings and make sure that this check mark is on. Run this program as an administrator. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it doesn't, then you want to simply go ahead and clear cache. Simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then type the exact thing that I've typed right over here, which is percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK. Now this is where you want to simply go ahead and look for the Epic Games launcher file or folder, and then simply go ahead and delete all the content inside of this, which is going to be cache. So it should go ahead and solve your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.